In New Orleans, your windows do more than let in natural light. They stand up to intense heat, heavy humidity, hurricane-force winds, and sudden downpours. Vinyl windows are a popular choice for homeowners across the region because they're energy efficient, durable, and low maintenance. But even the highest quality vinyl window won't perform as promised if it isn't installed correctly. Proper installation is what transforms a good product into a long-term investment. Here's why it matters so much for New Orleans homes. Protection against heavy rain and storms. New Orleans is no stranger to torrential rain and tropical weather systems. When vinyl windows are improperly installed, small gaps can form between the window frame and the surrounding wall. These gaps may seem minor at first, but during a storm, wind-driven rain can force water into your home. Professional installation ensures the window is correctly sealed, flashed, and insulated. Flashing directs water away from the window opening, while high-quality sealants prevent leaks around the frame. When done right, this protects your walls, insulation, and interior finishes from costly water damage and mold growth, two major concerns in our humid climate. Improved energy efficiency in extreme heat. Summers in New Orleans are long, hot, and humid. Your air conditioning works overtime for much of the year, and poorly installed windows can quietly drive up your energy bills. Even energy-efficient vinyl windows lose effectiveness if they're not properly fitted. Small air leaks around the frame allow cool air to escape and hot air to enter. Over time, this constant exchange forces your HVAC system to work harder, increasing energy consumption and monthly costs. Correct installation ensures a tight, secure fit. Installers use proper insulation around the window opening to eliminate drafts and thermal gaps. The result is a more consistent indoor temperature, improved comfort, and noticeable savings on energy bills. Structural stability during hurricane season. In Southeast Louisiana, hurricane season is a fact of life. Vinyl windows are designed to be durable, but their ability to withstand strong winds depends heavily on how securely they are anchored to your home. Improper installation can weaken the structural integrity of the window unit. If the frame isn't level, square, and firmly fastened, it may flex or shift under pressure. In severe weather, this can lead to seal failure, broken glass, or even complete window blowout. Professional installers follow manufacturer guidelines and local building codes to ensure the window is properly secured. This includes correct anchoring, reinforcement, and alignment. A well-installed window is far more likely to perform as intended when severe weather strikes, giving you greater peace of mind. Preventing moisture and humidity problems. New Orleans humidity levels can be relentless. Without proper sealing and insulation, warm, moist air can seep into your home through poorly installed windows. This can lead to condensation buildup between panes or around frames. Over time, excess moisture contributes to mold growth, wood rot around the window opening, and deterioration of surrounding materials. Proper installation minimizes these risks by ensuring airtight seals and adequate insulation, helping to maintain healthier indoor air quality. Long-term durability and low maintenance. One of the biggest benefits of vinyl windows is their low maintenance. They don't require painting and resist warping, cracking, and corrosion. However, improper installation can create stress points in the frame. If a window isn't level or square, it may become difficult to open and close. Locks may not align properly, and weather stripping can wear unevenly. These issues not only affect convenience but can shorten the life of the window. When installed correctly, vinyl windows operate smoothly and maintain their structural integrity for years. This protects your investment and ensures you get the full lifespan the manufacturer intended. Protecting your warranty. Many homeowners don't realize that improper installation can void a manufacturer's warranty. Vinyl window warranties often require professional installation that meets specific standards. Cutting corners during installation could leave you responsible for future repair or replacement costs. Working with experienced professionals helps ensure your warranty remains intact and your investment is protected. The bottom line for New Orleans homeowners in a climate as demanding as New Orleans, window performance isn't just about the product, it's about the installation. Properly installed vinyl windows offer better protection against storms, improved energy efficiency, greater durability, and enhanced comfort year-round. When you invest in professional installation, you're not just upgrading your windows. You're strengthening your home's defense against the unique challenges of life in South Louisiana, and ensuring your vinyl windows perform exactly as they should for years to come.